Hi everyone. Welcome to my first tutorial. In this tutorial, we all going to see about slicing up, slicing up the string, and as well as modules and functions. So, two topics we're going to cover in this tutorial in a very perfect manner. So, initially, you will be seeing about modules and functions. What is the modules and functions? So modules will help us to do some operations. Each and every modules will possess some operations. So what are the modules? You see now 5 star star 2 4. I'm giving it a 625. 5 power 4 is a 625. So each and every time I can give 5 star star 7. So in order to over that we have one functions like power. I want to power my 5 to 5 times. Now the answer is 3, 1, 2, 5. See again, I want to power my 8 value to 3 times. Like 8 star 8 star 8 5 1 2. Now similarly x equal to 5. Now x equal to 5. Now x equal to minus 18. It's a negative value, so I don't want the negative value. So in order to omit the negative value, I'm having one function absolute. I want to make my x value absolute, so I'm giving x absolute. X is now converted into 18. Now we can check with 18. It's minus 18. The reason is the variable possesses the value is minus 18, but when I'm converting the x value to the absolute, that time the value is like that. Now if I want to do some operation like 58 plus absolute of x, so the value is 76. 58 plus 18 will be added and the value is 76. Now I'm doing 58 plus x, so the minus operation will be held in there and it shows a 40. So this is a use of absolute. Now similar wise we'll be having one more module, like it's called floor. This floor module function will help us to round the value. See 18.5. oh god, it's throwing a reason name error. Name floor is not defined. Okay, so this is we call modules. So from the module I need to import it. So this floor function I need to import from import math. I'm importing the math function from the math dot from the math. I'm importing floor. Now I'm giving 18.55. now it's rounded the value and it's giving 18.0. Now I'm doing again math dot floor floor minus 18. Now you can see the difference. See minus 819. So when it's deal with the floor, it will consider to round the value. Okay, it's obviously considered to round the value, but it doesn't care about the signs, whether it's a plus or minus or anything. It doesn't consider. It just consider the operation. It needs to round the value, so it's rounding the value 18.222. It's considered as a 19. So similar wise we'll be having a math dot square root. So from the math module I'm importing square function 81. So 81 square is 9. 9 nines are 81. So we'll be doing some different things. See, each and every time I don't want to do math dot square root, math dot floor. So in order to omit that, I'm using one different jayish. I want to use my entire function with the name or different variables. You can use jayish equal to math dot square root. Okay, now I'm doing jaish 81. Now the variable comprises the operation of math dot square root. So in order to replace the math.square root, this function will be assigned into jish. If I given jish 81, the square root value will be displayed. If I give jish 64, the 8 answer will be showing. So these are the different types of modules and function. We have seen the math module. From the module we imported some functions, the square root, floor, and absolute, and power. So now we'll go for slicing up. We finished the slicing up. Now we're going to see about, I'm sorry, I'm confusing, like we finished about modules and function. Now we're going to the slicing up. So what is the slicing up? See, I'm having user, I'm having module jish gam. Okay, this is my string. Now in the user, the string will be stored jish gam. Now I want to user of 0. So if you're taking j, so now what is happening? User of 0 is j, user of 1 is a, 0 or user of 2 is I. Similar wise it will going in the ascending order. Now I need user of 9. Oh, string index out of range, because we'll be having 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We have up to 8 characters, so still user of 8 will be getting a value as a b. But if you're giving user 9, there is no index is available, so it's throwing error, index error, string index out of range. So in a similar way, if you are giving user 8, it will give the value as a b, because it's the last value it's showing. Now we'll be having different things by using the same slicing up. Now we've seen about users of 0 1 2 3. Now we are doing like users of -1. It's b. Okay, I hope you can understand when I'm giving the next example. So I hope you can understand the b is from here. So user of -1, it's this. User of -2 is m. So similar wise, user of -8 is about a. So when it's going from here 0 1 2 3 4 till 8, when it's coming like this, -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 till -8, this is the way we can slicing up our strings. Now we'll be having more functions, like if I want user from first character to fifth character. So I hope you can understand what's the first character. It's about 0. So from the first character, in the sense it's about a. From the fifth character, 1 2 3 4 5, AISH, from 1 to 5th. So you can notice down, the first character A will be printed and the fifth character will not be printed. See, so the fifth character is supposed to be G. Okay, so before the n value only will be printed here. From A to H will be printed, the last value will not be printed. So as if I'm giving from 0 2 to 8, so except the last value, I mean the B, it will be printing everything. So I want to print the entire text from 0. You can give like this. So the entire text will be printed. So I want to do like from 2, I want to print the text. From the 2 it's about I. So I want to print the entire text. I don't want to give any operation. So this is idle. It will not do anything. It will print all the entire text. So you want to print in the reverse manner. I'm doing from -1, print everything. Because a -1 is about a B. -1 is about a B. After that, there is no text. So now I'm doing user from -5 to -2. Okay, it's printing some -5, -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 to 5, 4, 3. So here also the same operation from 5 to 2, it will be before 2, it's printing the value. Now I'll have one more example. User of, okay, 2024. Okay, now from -4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, from -4 it start printing. Okay, so if you're giving like this, the operations will be differing. Now I want to print the entire text in the reverse manner. You're supposed to use this order: colon, colon, -1. So the text will be reversed. The entire text will be reversed if you give colon, colon, -1. Okay, now I want to merge. So I'm having another string like a variable. It's a nice. Okay, now user from 1. Okay, from 1 I want to print variable. See what has happened here. I hope you can understand, right? From, its reverse is the Jayesh Gam. Okay, from 1 everything will be printed. After that the variable is printed. Okay, from 1 everything will be printed. So after that the variable will be printed. Now I'll show one more. User -1. Okay, from the -1 I want to add my variable. Okay, -1 is obviously it's a B, and from that it's printing this one. So to understanding, I'll be doing different one. User -2 plus variable. Okay, so here the -2 is M. Next to M there is, it's the B is overrated. After that it's printing nice. Okay, now so user will be having this question obviously. Okay, so entire print will be, along with this the variable is added. Along with the entire string the variable nice is added. Okay, so this type of indexes will be having, so we can play with the single string with the many multiple operations. Okay, I think you understood a lot with the great confusions. I hope you like this video, but please do some hands-ons to learn more about the string things. Okay, and one more thing, see, I know my user is Jayesh Gam. I want to know the length of my user. Length of my user is the count. So the length of my user is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's 4, 9, it's 9. So length of my user is 9. Okay, I think you understood a lot from this tutorial about slicing of the strings and modules and functions. Okay, thank you so much. I'll be waiting to teach you the next tutorial. From the next tutorial I'll teach you more and more about Python. Okay, stay hungry, strive hard for a better tomorrow. Thank you so much.